RIME stock analysis. This is for Friday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm answering all this in this short 1-minute video. I can see that Algorhythm Holdings just plummeted. He's like 14% down, and it's not like I wasn't expecting it, because it was always like kind of to be expected. But yeah, this is how my chart looked like previously. I mean, context, I've done 32,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships over the last 4 years, and with RIME, it just now we have a new range. You know, like this was the break. We do have the supply area here, and what's next? I mean, if the price taps inside the supply area and then gives me a double break, then and only then this is going to be a market that I'm going to take things lower. You know, that's how RIME looks like. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free daily newsletter. Click the first link in the description. And with this thing, I'll definitely stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to make videos on it as long as it's fun. See ya.